We have hybrid labs, which can be universally used as such, like a classroom or a laboratory, so it's very flexible. We have multiple easel spaces where we can have collaborative learning spaces and flex classrooms to where they can pretty much do whatever they want in here.
And so what it does is it really helps elevate the student experience that we talk about at Auburn, and just shows a commitment to how we are ready for the next generation and the style of learning that it takes.
It's so nice to walk into this building. It's so bright and airy, and you can just really focus on your studies and also just get to know people too. So it's been awesome.
It gives us an opportunity for students to take more pride, as if they didn't already with Auburn, but to take more pride in what's going on, knowing that we are trying to keep up.
I watched the building go up last year and I really liked the way they designed it. I think it's very modern, and I run by here every morning and I always look at it and I'm like, wow, that's just an amazing piece of work right there.